trout to me are funner just because, like, is that trout?
I don't know.
Because I worry
I think
about
so. I think it's a trout or a red. I don't think it's a lizard.
What's going on, y'all, and welcome back to another video. So today I got some footage for y'all from a few weeks ago. Me and my buddy Blake decided to go out and do some afternoon fishing. We got some fish on Topwater. It was a whole lot of fun. We're just gonna get right into the fishing, y'all, so stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video.
Oh, what is that? Got him?
I don't know what it is, but yeah, I got him.
Feel like a red?
I don't know. I think it is. From what I saw, it was trouty, but I think it's red.
Let's see if there's any more.
He came right off the bank after it.
Yeah. Of course I get stuck. Let's go! No way! Dude, no way, that was sick! Dude, I was ripping it out of the weeds! And he came up and smoked it! No way, you're over here? Oh my god, that was sick, dude! No way! That was nuts!
That's cool.
Hell yeah! I thought you just didn't have a spot for a second. Let's go. My shirt. I think I had grass on my lure too, and I wasn't even twitching it that good. He came up and smoked it.
Topwater, baby.
Dude.
Love it.
They just don't stop.
Alright, let it go a little bit.
Yes, sir. That was so sick. Let's go, double up on the reds. Don't release yours yet, because I want to get that double release. Scare him. Let's go.
Oh, that sun's setting quick.
Yeah. Right here?
Yeah. No redfish, please. Only trout.
Big trout. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take a big red, or just a redfish right now on Topwater. That'll be fun, but.
Trout to me are funner just because, like, is that trout?
I don't know.
Because I worry
I think
about
so. I think it's a trout or a red. I don't think it's a lizard.
I think it's a lizard.
Might be a bluefish, dude.
Big old lizard fish.
Oh no, it's a trout. That's a trout. First cast.
Okay. Oh, he barely hooked.
Let's go.
Hey, that's a nice one, Bo.
We did it.
That's a nice one, Bo.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
First trout on Topwater. Let's go.
That's 19 inches.
Stand up, catch a trout.
Yes, sir. That's a good one right there. That's a good picture.
Hell yeah. Let's see what he is. Yeah, he's about 18, 19 inches.
19?
I'll get him on the actual board.
Seemed like
He's almost 19, about 18 and a half, 18 3/4.
It seemed like he almost jumped.
Yeah. Hell yeah. All right, your turn.
Yes, sir. Please.
I've tried night fishing for bass in the lakes up in Raleigh and failed very, very badly. Didn't get a single bite. That was on me.
Let that fish eat it. That was a nice one. There you go. There you go.
Yep.
There you go.
Yeah. Oh, he came off.
Yeah.
So mad. Damn it, dude.
That was decent. Did he feel decent?
Yeah, it felt pretty good. Head shaking.
Trout.
Yeah, definitely a trout.
Oh, on me. This is what it's like in the mornings.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, like, you can't Jamie! Slow down. Dude, that might be a stud. It's not the way, but it's a trout. Is that a stud or what?
I can't tell if it's a red or a trout. I don't think it's a red. I think it's a good trout. Yeah, reds don't come up and do that. That was sick. What is this?
Decent little trout.
Yeah.
2.5 pounder.
Yeah, he's pretty good.
Smaller than the other one, actually.
Yeah. Oh my god.
She's a runner. She's a track.
There we go. Hell yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for the net job.
Why don't they want my bait? You got a story to tell, Jamie.
Yeah.
I was out there fishing topwater with Blake. We didn't catch one trout.
Yeah, I'll probably go 18. Yeah, like 18, or probably like 17 and a half, almost 18. Nice one.
Alright y'all, well that's about it for today's video. Pretty fun little afternoon inshore topwater session. I only got out for a couple hours and ended up getting into some fish. Me and Blake were fishing in and around some creeks around the inlets, hoping to find some trout that are starting to move in, and we ended up running some redfish along the way. Made for a pretty fun day. Real quick though, before I end today's video, let me know what you guys think of this kind of different video style. If you're a regular viewer and you've seen my videos before, you'll know that I love doing a lot more B-roll cinematic sequences. I like drone footage and just a lot of better looking footage. This video is a little bit shorter and more straight to the point, just straight up GoPro footage. So let me know what you guys think of this. I still love doing those longer videos, those more cinematic videos, but they take a lot of time to film and edit. As my other videos sometimes take me 2 weeks to edit together, this one only took me a couple days. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And that's about it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Jamie. I'm from North Carolina and I do saltwater and also freshwater fishing on my channel. So if you like what you saw in today's video, definitely stick around. And if you are already subscribed and have been supporting me, thank you so much. It really means a lot. So that's about it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to leave a like. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. Share this video with a friend if you think they might enjoy it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.